Hello and welcome to Introduction to ZBrush from the Gnomon Workshop. I'm Madeleine Spencer and I'll be your instructor for this comprehensive video series which will guide you from the bare beginnings of learning ZBrush all the way through to being an intermediate ZBrush user. We'll start with a quick start tutorial. In this lesson, we'll sculpt a detailed creature bust and in the process learn about navigating the ZBrush interface. We'll learn about using and customizing the ZBrush sculpting brushes. We'll learn about masking, visibility, smoothing, Dynamesh, and most importantly, we'll learn about anatomy and form and how to utilize the ZBrush sculpting brushes to create realistic, organic form inside of ZBrush. The Quick Start tutorials form the basis for all the other lessons that come after. We'll learn about the different types of meshes in ZBrush, Dynamesh, subdivision level models, and how to import meshes from outside of ZBrush for texturing and for sculpting. We'll learn about texturing in ZBrush. We'll paint a creature skin from scratch using polypaint. We'll also look at how to take texture reference photography and project that through Spotlight for texturing models. We'll learn about hard surface modeling. We'll look at booleans, hard surface sculpting brushes, group loops, panel loops, as well as ZModeler, ZBrush's built-in poly modeling toolset. We'll use these tools to create a highly detailed handheld radio. That model will be done entirely within ZBrush's hard surface modeling toolset. We'll learn about animating in ZBrush with Timeline. We'll learn about the layer system for both modeling and texture. We'll learn about UVs, creating and maintaining them, and as well as how to export our work from ZBrush if we want to use it in Unreal Engine or Maya or any number of other programs. We'll talk about exporting color maps, normal maps, and displacements. We'll learn about cloth dynamics in ZBrush. We'll use simulations on our brushes so we can create dynamic drapery quickly and easily inside the program. We'll look at how to use fiber mesh to create hair and fur. We'll look at a number of different core plugins which come pre-installed with ZBrush, which are very important for your day-to-day work. Things like UV Master, Transpose Master, 3D Print Hub, Decimation Master, Z-Color, and more. We'll learn about lighting, materials, and rendering in ZBrush, how to use HDR images with Light Cap to create the best possible quality of render. We'll learn all of this and much, much more. It's my intention that by the end of this workshop, you will be an intermediate ZBrush user with all the tools you need to bring your visions to life in Maxon ZBrush. So let's get started. I'll see you in the first chapter.